So I'm Munir Virani. I'm from Kenya, and I work for the Peregrine Fund in Boise, Idaho. I'm based in Kenya, and the Peregrine Fund found me in the early 1990s, and they helped fund my master's research, which I did on the Sokoke scops owl in Arabuko-Sokoke Forest. They went on to fund my PhD research, which I did on the shores of Lake Nevasha, which is one of the world's top 10 birdwatching sites in the world. And I worked on a species called the auger buzzard. I've worked on a number of raptor projects in Africa. And in 2000, the Peregrine Fund sent me to South Asia to set up field and diagnostic studies to understand the causes of mortality of Asian gyps vultures, 4 species of which are now listed as critically endangered. It took us, the Peregrine Fund and our team 4 years, between 3 and 4 years, to understand what was killing the vultures, and it turns out to be a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug called diclofenac, which is administered to livestock. And when vultures feed on contaminated carcasses, it causes kidney failure, and as a result their populations declined by 99%. My role is I am the director of the program director for the Africa project, and I also work on the South Asia project. And I'm here in Kana National Park and Bandhavgarh National Park with a team with Dr. Mark Bayshard, Boise State University, and some students. We have 6 students on this team, and it gives me great pleasure to work on this collaborative program. We've had students from Boise State University's Raptor class come to Kenya on 3 occasions and learn about the problems there, about conservation issues that are facing vultures, that are facing other birds of prey, and just get an understanding of what it is and how conservation systems work in a third world country like Kenya, and in a very fast developing country like India as well, to understand the problems associated with tiger reserves, with vultures, with other flora and fauna, how local communities benefit from tourism, and most importantly for the students to understand the problems and the challenges associated with countries that have extreme levels of poverty and also have just fantastic biodiversity. And we hope to continue this class. We hope to build friendship, and hopefully a pool of students that we've been working with will grow up and help support projects with the Peregrine Fund, with Boise State University. A number of students from Boise State University have worked very closely with the Peregrine Fund. Many have joined the Peregrine Fund and continue to do great things. And it's important to keep this association and collaboration long into the future.